Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about ASP.NET Web Services Tutorials Part 1. In this video we'll discuss how to create a simple ASP.NET Web Services using the technologies HTTP, XML and SOAP. As a reminder, you should know lot of companies WCF, Windows Communication Foundation instead of Web Services, but still there are lot of jobs. There are few jobs in industry which uses web services. Let's see what are the web services and why should we use them. Web services is a standard way of developing interpret application that is enabling an application to invoke a method of another method. This application can be on the same computer or a different computer. Using these standards and the protocols of HTTP, XML and SOAP. Since these are open and well-known protocols, application building on any platform can interpret with web services. For example, Java application can interpret with the web service using .NET. Similarly, a web service built using Java can customize it by .NET application. HTTP protocol is a protocol widely used by a web service to send and receive messages. The messaging protocol is SOAP. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, and SOAP messages are in XML format. Let's see how to create a web service. At first we have to open a project, an empty project, and then we will go to right click on the project in the Solution Explorer and select the web services, and it will have an extension ASMX. The web services have decorated with web service attribute and inherits from web system.web.services.webservice database class. Web service namespace is used to uniquely identify your web services on the internet from another service that are already there on the web. Web service namespaces can be any string, but it is common to give it a company internet domain name as they are usually unique. Here is how the sample is. Web service namespace is equal to http://cd-kt.blogspot.com/web services. It is mandatory for a web service to inherit from system.web.services.webservice database. However, if the web services have to use ASP.NET section or application state object, they inherit from system.webservices.webservice base class will provide access to these ASP.NET objects to allow a web service to be called by JavaScript using HTTP ASP.NET AJAX. They decorate the web service class with system.web.script.service.script service attribute. In later videos, we will discuss how we use web services for Ajax. Now let's copy the code as shown below. You can see that we have called for web services namespace, and then we will bind that web services to a profile, and then notice the web calculator class method is a single method called add. This method adds two numbers and returns the sum. This method is decorated with web method attribute. If you want the method exposed as a part of the web service, then the method must be public and should be decorated with web method attribute. Web attribute has got several properties which can be used to configure the behavior of the XML web service method. Here, at this point, we have done building a web service, running the application by pressing Ctrl plus F5. Then you will see a page similar as one below. And notice that the add method that we created in the web service is based on the page. Clicking on the method name will take you to page where you can test the method. This page also shows the format of the SOAP request and the response message. SOAP 1.2 is a new version with some major changes. To For all the differences between them, please refer the link below. This video is brought to you by Siri Educations and visit us on our website www.sirikd-blogspot.com, and please click on the subscribe button below, and to get updated videos notification, click on the bell button below. For more similar videos, click on the playlist below. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.